today we are going to be making a bookshelf. If you're new here, please do subscribe, like my videos, leave me comments and share with friends who also like your lifestyle content. So this video was inspired by Shara. I've linked her channel on the description. She shares measurements and she's basically more professional than I am. So just FYI, I'm not a professional woodworker, but I have to say this was a very fun project. So without wasting too much time, let's get into it. I have listed the materials and prices in the description below. I've also lined up the measurements that I used to make this bookshelf, but these will differ obviously because, different homes, different spaces. So you can make it as big as you want it to be, or you can make it as small as required. I drilled 2 holes per divider onto the base of the bookshelf. I used scrap wood for support. For the middle shelf, I drilled holes on either side to make sure that it's secure, and then the shelves on either side of the middle shelf, I used scrap wood, which I glued onto the sides of the bookshelf and drilled to make sure that it's nice and secure. You'll see what I'm talking about later. Sanding down the scrap wood. This is what I was referring to earlier. Not having the correct woodwork tools suck, because here I constantly had to go back and check whether all the shelves are lined up. Somewhat happy, I moved on to the next step, which is to put the top of the bookshelf on top. Nearly there, it is time to sand down this whole baby up. I got these for 30 Rand each at Leroy Merlin in Fourways. I removed the stickers, applied a lot of glue, and secured the feet on each corner of the bookshelf. I placed heavy objects on the feet and then I left it to dry. And then for the paint, I used Rustoleum milk paint in grey. To say I'm happy about how this turned out is an understatement. I am very happy, very happy with how it turned out. And now the next thing to do is to style this shelf up and enjoy it. you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Share this video with your friends, and perhaps they'll let me know what they thought of the video. I really enjoyed making this bookshelf, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. So yeah, please do subscribe, share the video, leave me comments, press the notification bell so you know when I post, which will be this Sunday. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Have a wonderful day.